Hello friends, we're at Broadford for the Lyne Motorsport track day, the very first one. It's a very exciting day. Our friend Josh from Lyne Motorsport and Lyne Automotive has put this together, and yeah, he's a legend. I'm so stoked that this is all turning out so well. There's his car. He's got one of his boys in the car at the moment, that Integra. So yeah, we're just doing a bit of filming, and then I'm going to jump in the car and do some laps because it's glorious. Would you look at this? Would you look at the sunshine? So yeah, pretty stoked on how today's turned out. It was a bit rainy this morning, but it's looking good now. So fingers crossed it stays like this and we can have a rad day. Let's go and check out the action. Okay, so just getting everything ready with the Nug. I think it's pretty good. The tappets are very tappy today, which I guess hasn't been driven in a long time, so it just needs a bit of a free up. We've got a brand new 1 gauge setup here. We've got our tyre pressures and everything, and that's working great. So I've set my tyre pressures there, and I think we're just about ready to go. So let's go out and see what the track's like today. How's your first session in a race car in
13 years.
13 years?
You're not bad. Good.
Not bad, good. He freaking kicked my ass. I mean, given he's got more power than me, but yeah, you were right on me the whole time. It was good fun.
It was.
I had a blast. That was really cool.
Yeah.
That was good. Car's going well?
Yeah. Yeah, so far nothing's fallen off or broken.
It's a good sign.
And the weather's turned out for us.
Oh, dude, I can't believe it.
Yeah.
For all those playing at home, check this out. It's supposed to be pretty average today, and it is glorious. Nug's going well. Can't say too much about the person driving it, but you know, we'll fix that. Good day. Alrighty, going out for round 2.
We'll see how we go.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna chase you around. I might stick the 3D camera right there, and you can chase me.
Yeah.
Keen?
Sounds good.
Cool.
Pardon me and my tone. You can't step to my throne. They ain't working like me. I did this on my own. You asking where we been, huh? I don't know where to begin, huh? All this dirt on my skin. I just came here to win. I'm more than a man, I'm a monster. Somebody call past the doctor. I got a 6 inch for imposters. So now I'm coming for the whole roster. It's not a game, why you playing with me? You could double back, lose track, try and hang with me. It must be in my veins, something you can't tame, cause I break the chains. Can't control me. I got the power, I got the keys, cause I break the chains. They try to hold me, I'ma push back, just wait till you see. Please excuse me, Your Honor, but you can't hold me no longer. Can't you feel the vibrations? I broke out and left traces. Go ahead, try catch me if you can, man. You be looking all night, I'm the Sandman. New York, London to Japan. I'ma show the whole world who I am. Boom. Major look, huh? Yeah, this one is for the books. All these chances I took still. I move straight on these rooks now.
Very special guest. My man's rocked up with his mates. Hey, Paul.
G'day, how are you?
So Paul's going to come out for a spin in the Nug, and so's Dad for the first time. So he can sit there and tell me everything I'm doing wrong. So yeah, that's it. So the car's going well, track day's going well, everyone's having a blast. Yes, my tyre pressure monitoring isn't working the way I want it to, and I've spoken to Michael. It is a test unit, so don't hold us over the coals for it. So we're yeah, we need to just fettle it and make it work. But it'll get there. It'll get there. It's a really cool system. I'm really looking forward to it working eventually. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm finally taking my old man out for a drive. I've been storing this bloody thing at his house for years now. It's nice to take him out and show him that it works.
It's a nice treat.
That's it. consistent. I'm trying to get.
Well, you did some bloody good times
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty stoked. I was 0.2 off at my personal best with you in the car. Hi Josh, how was the first Lyne Motorsport day?
It was fantastic. Better than I expected.
I concur.
Everything went so smoothly.
Yeah, that's great.
All the cars in one piece at the end of the day.
How's the weather?
Awesome.
There's literally windscreen wiper on activities on the way down here, and
Sunshine.
Jack's been dry the entire day.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Car's still in one piece, still works. Kind of might be missing a gear, but don't worry about that. You don't need that.
Yeah.
No, it's good. Thanks, man. Thanks for having us along.
It was an awesome day.
Legend. And yes, next Lyne Motorsport Day in February
25.
25th.
Yep.
Awesome.
Come on. Friday.
Sign up, Facebook, all that junk. Speak to this man. If you need any race gear, speak to this man. Race cars built, speak to this man. He doesn't need sleep, don't worry about it. So Dad, how was your first ride in the Nug?
I'm scared shitless. Very, very fast, great bit of driving, very controlled. I'm very impressed with my son. He can go top of the class.
This comes from a champion sidecar driver, so I'm pretty stoked on that.
Yeah, he wouldn't tell lies either.
No, it
doesn't tell lies.
Oh, yeah. You're like the two old men in the Muppets, right? Enough out of you two, all right?
That's it.
Back in your box. Cool, all right, so we're packing up the Nug now. Things running amazing as always. Doesn't miss a beat. I am stoked. And now it's time to head off to Phillip Island. So we're gonna pack up, we're gonna go say goodbye to the boys. What a freaking good day. Josh and the team did an amazing day. You should definitely get on the Lyne Motorsport track days because they are so good. This was such a fun day. Next one's in Winton in February sometime, I think end of Feb. So check out the Facebook page and all that sort of stuff and get on board because these guys need supporting because they're brilliant. They deserve it. Yeah, everything else on the car was good. We did have, you might have noticed in the video, we did have a bit of trouble with our 1 gauge with the tyre pressure monitoring. Now just bear in mind this system is a test system, so they did supply it to me knowing that it may have some teething issues, and we did have some teething issues, but I've already spoken to Michael, we're going to get it sorted out. Sad we won't have it for this weekend, but that's fine. We'll get there. I've still got my coolant and my oil pressure and everything else I need, so that's fine. And I can also update this since I got a 114.1 now. Still not quite as fast as our mate Justin, but I'll get you, buddy. I'll get you. Cool. All right, that's a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you at the island tomorrow.